If your goal is to build Class A climate-controlled self-storage facilities, this video is for you. Join us as we talk about the Boxwell hallway system that transforms any open floor plan into a revenue-generating storage business. A hallway system is the building's interior steel structure. It is the key component that transforms any open floor plan into a series of storage units. This video features a brand new facility in which we built over 900 units in all shapes and sizes. In total, 90,000 square feet was dedicated to rentable storage. That's over 80% of the building's footprint. At Boxwell, we understand that no two projects are the same. In order to optimize the footprint of any building, our systems are fully custom and made to order. Your hallway system will be tailor-made to match your specific architectural plans. Achieve that Class A aesthetic with custom colors, added security features, diamond plate wainscoting, and ADA-compliant units. Our dedicated support staff is here to help. Boxwell hallway systems come with extensive warranties, so you can enjoy peace of mind and focus on running your business. Whether it's new construction or a building retrofit, let's get started on your project. Contact Boxwell today to learn how our products and services will benefit you.